Good afternoon, Bobcats. Today is Monday, September the 10th, 2018, and tonight's homework is Practice 3-1. Today in class, we were learning about 4 different multiplication properties. The first one being the commutative property. A commutative property is like a turnaround fact. And the 2 factors in a number, for example, if you had 1 times 2, actually let's do an example. 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. So that's an example of the commutative property. Next, you have the associative property. That's where you use 3 numbers that are being multiplied by each other. The order does not change, but the grouping changes. And the grouping changes by moving the parentheses. Next, you have the identity property. That means any number times 1 is itself. It keeps its identity. And last but not least, you have the zero property. Any number times 0 is 0. So there's a few examples of the different properties that we learned about today. We're going to go down to question number 9. And that's the one I'm going to help you with tonight. It says, write a definition for the associative property of multiplication in your own words and explain how you would use it to compute 4 times 25 times 27 mentally. Okay, so first let's put this into our own words. So you want to start by restating the associative property multiplies 3 numbers the order stays the same but the grouping changes. Now, how could we use that to compute 4 times 25 times 27 mentally? Well, let's think about which 2 numbers would be easy to multiply. What's something that you can multiply easily in your head? Probably not 25 times 27, and probably not 4 times 27. I would choose to group the 4 and the 25 together because when I see the number 25, I think about quarters. And I know that if I have 4 quarters, that's equal to $1. So 4 times 25 would be 100. So if I have 100 times 27, I learned from last topic that I can add that many zeros to the end of the number 27, 2 zeros, and that would give me 2,700. So me knowing the associative property, I was able to solve 4 times 25 times 27 in my head mentally. Boys and girls, if you have any other questions about any of these, you can look up the different types of multiplication properties online, or you can check out homework help tomorrow from 7 to 7:35. And I hope this helps and that you have a fantastic day.